Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove event date for specific category in WordPress. So we are using the event calendar plugin. So this is our announcement category. For announcement category we are going to remove date. Now you see date show. So we are going to remove it by using custom code. So you can install WP code plugin. So we already installed plugin. So this is code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see category slug announcement. So you can add your category and then you see inactive. Click on active and then click on update and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this custom code we are going to hide event date for specific category. Now you see announcement. Now go to page again and refresh the page. So this is our announcement event category. Now you see date remove. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.